Hey guys, it's Rita and welcome to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, remember I would love to have you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos if you double tap on it. So today I'm bringing you a DIY for after Christmas. I'll be using some of the big Christmas tags, and it's sort of a bohemian DIY. So let's get right to it. I'm going to start using these 4 Christmas tags. I will be completing the 2 larger ones. The 2 smaller ones I just didn't get to. I did put a coat of white paint on them, but I will be beginning by putting a coat of white paint on all the tags. Okay, so here they are. I think these turned out really cute. It's an easy way to use up some of your Christmas decor. And I'm sorry I'm losing my voice here. But just something fresh after the holidays. I hope you enjoyed the video. I look forward to bringing you more ideas this season. Happy 2020, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you join. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.